Hello and welcome to a new video of mathematics. And in this video, I would like to share the percentile mathematics. As an example, I have chosen 15% of 16. In real life, you can always see that there may be discounts on different types of products. And in this case, if the discount is 15%, then how do we know that how much we have to pay? Because 15%, we need to understand what does it mean. It means if the product price is 100, then the discount is 15 euro. I'm taking as euro as a unit here. You can take anything based on your country. So I will gradually do it step by step so the math will be clear to you. And as you can see, in this case, if we take these points, if we note these points, we got what we got here. We got here this 15%, and our value is 16. And as I said earlier, I have chosen euro as a unit to make it easier to understand in real life. Real life meaning at shops, when you're going to shop something, for example, t-shirts, books, anything. So let's continue to do, and I will explain when I move on. So in this case, as you can see, 15% of 16, and I took an example that if discount is 15% from a 16 euro valued t-shirt, then how much we need to pay, or I have to pay for that t-shirt, because t-shirt's original value is 16 euro, but we are getting discount of 15%. So we need to calculate how much is 15% on this 16 euro. So to do this, that we need to understand first 15%. What is the meaning of 15%? This 15% is meaning that when the value of t-shirt is 100 euro, then we get discounted, or we get a discount price, offer price, minus 15, meaning that 15%. So 100 minus 15, in this case we need to pay then 85 euro. That's not what our value is. Our original price is 16 euro, so we need to consider that. I guess and hope that you understood what is 15% here. 15% meaning that if the original price is 100 euro, then we get discount of 15 euro. Then if the original price is only 1 euro, of course we get less and less discount, which can be 15 divided by 100. I will write it more clearly. So I think you understood that if the price is only 1 euro, then of course 15 divided by 100, our value will be very, very less, that we get discount off. And our original price here is 16 euro, so 16 euro is more than this one, so we get we should get more value, meaning that then we need to multiply from this with this one. We need to multiply. So 15 divided by 100 times, here our original price of the t-shirt is 16 euro. So let's move on to do this math. As we can see that we have here 15 divided by 100, therefore how much we get here, we need to multiply this 15 times 16, and when we multiply this 15 times 16, how much we get here? 15 times 16, and as you can see that 6 times 5 equals 30. We have 3 in hands, and then 6 times 1 equals 6 plus 3 equals 9. And then this side is done, and now we do it with this one. So therefore we are moving to second digit, so we put a 0 here definitely, and 15 times 1, we get 15 here. So after doing the addition, what will be the result? 0 comes 0, 9 plus 5 equals 14, 1 in hand, and 1 we have here, 1 in hand and 1 we have here, so we have here 240. So we got here kind of like by multiplying, we got here 240 divided by 100. So when you do the division, it's kind of very easy to understand that. So it equals to 2 decimal point and 4. I think you know this simple division as well. So if you need help, then of course you can cross these 10 from the top, 10 from the down, and then you can divide 24 by 10, and you get the same result of 2.4 here. So this 2.4 is not the result. This 2.4 is the discounted price. If the original price is 16, then we get discount of 2 euros 40 cents. It is that. But how much? The question was here. If we go back to the question, what was the question? The question was, we by considering 15% from our 16 euro value t-shirt, then how much to pay for that t-shirt? So how much to pay after the discount? We need to calculate that, and that's the final step for this math. Let's go and calculate that one. So we got discount, which is 2 euro and 2 euro and 40 cents, and let's make the sign here or to the other side. It's meaning the same. So original price was 16 euro minus 2.44 euros. And after this we get this how much we need to pay. We get the result after doing the subtraction here. We'll get easily the, so we know that 16 minus 2 decimal point 4 equals 13 euro 60 cents. I put the euro sign in the beginning, or let's make it in the end, as at the top I mentioned here at the end. So 13 euros 60 cents. This we need to pay. I hope you can do this simple one, or I will show it for a full view or full clarification how we got this. Let me show it. 16 minus 2.4. So when we do this, we need to understand that we have 16 means we have a 0 here, because 16 as a full euro and 0 cents, it means 16 euro. So when we get this, then let's organize it nicely, one below another. So when we do this, then of course we borrow 1 here, we get 10, and 10 minus 4 equals 6, and we need to return this 10 to left bottom side according to the rule. Then when we return this 1 here, 1 added to this existing 2, 1 plus 2, we get 3 here, and 16 minus 3, and we get 13 here. And of course we put this decimal point because it was decimal point was before 1 unit. This is the 1 digit, and before 1 digit this decimal point 1, so it comes the similar way at the bottom in subtraction. I hope you understood how we got it, and if you consider doing this mathematics again and again, then of course you will understand the idea. So the result is, we should always write the result, the t-shirt price equals 13 euro and 60 cents, and this is the amount we need to pay when we are buying this t-shirt after 15% discount. Thank you very much for watching this video, and hope you will join me to my next video as well. Till then, bye bye.